Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the Pixel 6 off and ejecting the SIM. This prevents short circuits. Next, apply controlled heat to the display for about 60 to 90 seconds at roughly 80 to 90 degrees to soften adhesive. Make sure to move the heat source to avoid hot spots. While it warms, organize tools. T3 and T5 bits, a suction cup, plastic picks, and a thin spudger. Place screws on a magnetic mat. Once ready, attach the suction cup near the bottom edge and create a small gap to insert a pick. Once you have an opening, work slowly around the perimeter using plastic picks. Keep pressure low and advance clockwise so you don't tear the display. After lifting the screen slightly, remove the small bracket screws securing connectors, then use a spudger to unlock the battery and display ZIF connectors. Disconnect the battery first to eliminate power. Next, remove the midframe and carefully lift out old components, scraping adhesive residues away. Clean the surfaces with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth, so the new screen seats flat and bonds correctly. Place the replacement screen onto the frame and align the connectors. Press ZIF connectors until they click, and refit the metal bracket with the T3 and T5 screws. Don't over-tighten. Reconnect the battery last, then power on to test display and touch responsiveness before final sealing. If it works, apply new adhesive strips, clamp for 30 to 60 minutes using gentle pressure and low heat for proper curing. If you see flicker or dead touch areas, power off, reopen, and reseat or clean connectors. Reboot into recovery if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.